Hello friends, is your car's AC system not cooling properly? Do you hear unusual noises from the AC or notice it shutting off randomly? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0534, this means there's an issue with the AC refrigerant charge loss detection system. Ignoring this could lead to a completely non-functional AC system and potential damage to your compressor. In this video, I'll explain what P0534 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0534? The P0534 code stands for Air Conditioning Refrigerant Charge Loss Detection. This means that the engine control module has detected a loss of refrigerant in the AC system, which can lead to poor cooling performance or even complete system failure. Common symptoms of P0534: check engine light or AC warning, light on AC not cooling properly or blowing warm air, AC compressor not engaging, unusual hissing or bubbling noises from the AC system shutting off intermittently. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0534, check these key components. AC refrigerant pressure sensor location, mounted on the high pressure side of the AC system, near the AC condenser or refrigerant lines. AC compressor and clutch location, front of the engine near the serpentine belt. AC leak detection system location. Some vehicles have a built-in leak detection sensor near the refrigerant lines or AC components. AC control module if applicable. Location, usually inside the dashboard or engine bay, connected to the HVAC system. Refrigerant lines and connections. Location, running from the AC compressor to the condenser and evaporator. Tip: if there's a significant refrigerant loss, the ECM will shut off the AC to prevent compressor damage. Common causes of P0534: 1. Low or no refrigerant. Leakage in the system causes a drop in refrigerant pressure, triggering the error. 2. Faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can confuse the ECM. 3. AC leak in hoses or components. Check for visible damage, cracks or leaks. 4. Faulty compressor or clutch. If the compressor is failing, it may not generate the correct pressure. 5. Wiring or connector issues. Loose or corroded connections can cause sensor miscommunication. How to fix P0534. Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0534 code. Step 2. Check refrigerant levels using a pressure gauge. If low, inspect for leaks. Step 3. Inspect the AC refrigerant pressure sensor and replace it if faulty. Step 4. Check the AC compressor and clutch for proper operation. Step 5. Examine refrigerant lines for leaks or damage. Use UV dye if necessary. Step 6. Recharge the system with the correct refrigerant type if needed. Step 7. Clear the code and test the AC system to ensure everything is working. Final words. If you ignore P0534, your AC system may stop working entirely, and the compressor could be damaged due to running dry. Fixing it early will save you from expensive repairs. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0318. Rough road detected misfire condition. P0319. Rough road hardware not present like. Share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.